and today we're gonna build some stuff. Some more Legos and cube pocket cues. Pocket cube pop figure cube. I really should have checked first before filming, but who cares. First, Blossom from Powerpuff Girls. Next we have Bubbles. How does this? Oh. Next one is Buttercup. Ooh, she's on a skateboard. Oh, I'm so stupid. I thought And those were weights, but they are the wheels of the skateboard. So. And it all broke apart. I really need to be more careful. Found it! Next is Angel from Lilo and Stitch. In case you didn't heard, Angel from Lilo and Stitch. Last one is Penelope from Wreck-It Ralph. Stupid ass package. And it's flying all around again. Now we're gonna move up to the Q pocket. Pocket Q. Or figure Q. Q figure pocket. First up, a trio of Maleficent, Cruella de Vil, and the Red or Dark Queen from Snow White. What's her name? No? How does this work? How the hell's... Is this what it's supposed to be? Just like a table or something? Well, at least I like it. And she already fell down. Oh, I know. Because of the weight, it needs to be more stable. Next up, the villain from Snow White. The witch queen, bad queen, dark queen. They really should use less plastic for these stuff. Okay, I haven't figured out which one this needs to go in. But whatever, not for now. And last up from this set is Maleficent. I really adore Disney woman villains. I don't know why, it's just their style of how they're made and stuff. I really like the dark themed clothes and makeup. Really like their clothes, makeup, you know, over the top. That's that emo gothic vibe. Dark mystery. The vibe of it. So if I'm ever gonna be in a... I'm not gonna sing Disney, so I will be the villain for sure. Or anti-hero, I don't know. Maleficent. Now we're gonna have the usual, the big one. We have Harley Quinn, of course, my favorite, my bae. This is not really going how I want it to go. Yay, it somehow worked. Cost a lot of energy and strength. It's just... it's hard work. Now we have her hammer. And how does it go? We have this thing. Does it go between here? Or? I'm gonna figure this out later. It's not something you guys really want to see, I guess. Like, this is the hammer. No, I'm not gonna pause. I'm gonna move on to the next figure, Jasmine. This one's really easy. Well, it looks easy. You know, I know what's wrong with some of these. Okay, Cruella de Vil's head just fell off. Off with her head! And the problem here is the distance between these foot pedals and the pedal itself is more than it needs to be. Just a little millimeters, but oh, it's horrible. I hope this head is gonna stay. Oh, her eyes are beautiful. It's heavy. Fuck my life. Really should buy more quality, I guess. Well, here it is. It's looking kind of Snow White. Also, just 3 pieces. Hopefully, now the shoe stuff. Oh, with the heel. Interesting. Move her out of the way, the big ass head, so you can see her better. These things are made for falling. These things are made for failing. Epic fail. Alice! My favorite. I love Harley Quinn more though, but from Disney. Also just 3-piece. 3-piece and a biscuit. Oh, this one works. It's with a golden pedal. Oh. Should do the pedal last. Girl, get your head on. Do you like to see me fail? Subscribe. I'm really bad at this. I'm not bad at failing though. Alice! Oh, I thought it was coming. Really need some glue, girl. We have 2. This is the third last. How do you say that? Ariel. Ariel! Don't sing, you're gonna embarrass yourself. I know. Oh, look at this. I did a retail before. I learned something first ahead. Now this weird. I'm just gonna try. This is gonna work. I believe in myself. And I already told me many times, don't sing. Look, this one's gonna be stable. Just need less legs and more tails. Bell. Amazing. Two pieces. It's gonna be this easy. And I thought I was strong. Damn it. Oh, no, I didn't break it. I'm satisfied. Look, I should. Okay, I'm gonna do the last one first. We're gonna break down. And last one is Suicide Squad Harley Quinn. I have to say, the detail on her suit is amazing. I don't know if you can see the yellow text, but this is more like an Android version, I think. This isn't just how the hell. Wait, look a minute. Look. Can you see? No, you can see it. Basically, I'm gonna either break her legs. Oh, the camera stopped recording, so I didn't know if we catch it, but her legs are flexible. I wonder if it works with the other ones. It worked! Sounded like it was gonna break, but it did. Now, the last thing, gonna get her. Oh, didn't break. My heart just stopped for a moment. And still standing? Well, thank you all for watching. I'm tired. Of the big Disney ones. Except for Harley Quinn, sorry.